Hi, would you like to learn how to make an amazing banana nut bread? Then this is the channel for you. Hi, my name is Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks along the way. So today you'll need a cup and a quarter of flour. You'll need a cup of sugar. You need 2 eggs. You need 4 ounces of melted butter. You'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and I have a half a cup of chopped walnuts. And also a little additional butter to go onto the cooking pan. And also 4 bananas. So, what we are going to do is first is peel our bananas. Gonna add these bananas in. The little trick is if you cut the side up top, it'll make it a lot easier to peel. So, okay. Now next, we're going to take our sugar. And we are going to take a spoon and push down these bananas into the sugar to incorporate them. I'm going to pretty much mash them up. Now, if you have ripe bananas, it would be more ideal. As you can see, it's incorporated. Now, we're going to add our butter. Mix this in. Going to add our vanilla extract, our 2 eggs. Going to incorporate this in as well. Okay, next we're going to add our salt, our baking soda, and half our flour. We're going to stir it. Yep. Once it gets incorporated like so, I'm going to add the rest of our flour. Okay, what I like to do is add some nuts, the walnuts, to it, and I'm going to leave half of it for the top. Okay, it's nicely mixed, like so. Next, we have our cooking tray. We have a little bit of butter. Now we're going to take our butter and we're going to basically wipe the inside of our tray. You have it like so. Next, we're going to add our mixture to our pan. Now, this is a 5x3 pan, so this should work best with a pan that size. Now, you want to push to side like so. Now a little trick I learned is you tap it on one side, tap it on the other. Now we want to add the rest of the nuts. I like to sprinkle on top so I have an even coating. Okay, put it on our tray. Now it's time to put it in our oven. So I have our oven at 350. We're gonna cook it for 55 minutes or until it's done. Okay, it's been 55 minutes. It's time to check on our banana nut bread. Okay, that feels good. Alrighty. So what we want to do is actually take this off this pan to let it cool down for at least 5 to 10 minutes before we take it out of this cooking sheet. So this looks amazing. I can't wait to eat it. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes since we took our banana nut bread out. Now it's time to take it out of its tin. So you could just pop it upside down like so. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, before cutting into it, you want to let it cool down completely. So give it another 30 minutes before we cut into it. So we don't have all the moisture that's in it escape. So you want to keep it nice and moist. Okay, it's been at least 30 minutes to let our banana bread cool down. Let's cut into it. Okay. Well, that looks nice and it's nice and moist. That's really good. And if you would like to have more recipes like this, please subscribe. And now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.